Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Uh, Today for macros, we prepare one video for the how to utilize macros for data transformation. My second webinar on which I worked on the Power Query data transformation. Now we will use macro for data transformation. I'll just give you an idea how to utilize macros for small and repetitive tasks. So say that I'm just uploading some information from the system, just give an idea to you that say that that income and expenses I just want to be captured for my data model. Okay, the file has been generated. Now I just transfer this information into Excel. When I transfer this information, it is looks like in a form which is not in a proper manner, because it is just the raw data. I have to make some information from it. Let's click it over here. I don't know why it takes too much time. It should not take too much time because I generate a small data. This is for 2 months period from January, February of 2020, only for the income and expenses I have taken. Okay. Now, this is the raw information came here. I just go into developer tool. If you don't know from where you can take the developer tool, go into the file in the options, custom ribbons, and then here you can find the developer tool. Normally it is unchecked, but I have already checked it. If it is unchecked, just click it over here, and then this developer tool will appear over here. Okay. You can access the macros from developer tool or the view, whatever it's required. So I'm just using it from here. Record a macro. Basically, what is macro? If whatever keystrokes you have done, the system records it in their memory that what steps I have taken, and then I when I execute this macro again, they will uh, automatically use the same steps what I have taken and give me the report. So I'm just recording the macro for the first time. Just give the name of the macro, say that financial statement. uh, it is asking me for the key. So say that I'm using any key, but I would suggest you not to use any key which is already there. Say that control P is for print, control B for bold, control U is for underline. So we will use some different keys. Say that control W. uh, if I click it over here and then write W, automatically it will show me control shift W. So in order to execute it, control shift W I have to put it. So I write it somewhere so that I will not forget it, that which key I have used. I used W, right click, capital W, and then in this worksheet, okay. Now, if you see, the macro has been started and it is showing me the stop button here. It means that now the system is recording my macro. What steps, whenever I generate this file, I have to do some formatting work. All the columns I select all together. This is should not be here. It should be here. And then remove the empty cells here. Click it over here. Data transformation, text to file. Okay. Delimited, tab, just next it and then click it text. What I am doing, it is registering in my system. Click, click it over here, say that I want to make it Calibri flight and 14, just for the recording purposes. Okay, then everything looks okay to me. Now I will, there's a formula in Excel where I have to see that how many characters are there in a cell. So there's a function of length. So len is the formula name here, length for this one. Click tab and then select this one. So it has 10 characters. When I double click it over here, it will give me, say that this one has 4 characters. You can see 7111 is 4 characters. So it looks okay to me. Just go here and then filter it. I don't want data for the 4, 6, and 8th level. I just want 0, 1, 2, 3, and 10th level. It is just for the information. So I'm just clicking over here. When I uncheck the relevant information, the irrelevant information will pop up. So it is easier for me to just select it and then delete that one. So I remove the irrelevant information from my from my table and then click it over here. It looks okay to me. Everything is done. And now what I will do, I will just close this. Let's remove that one first also, and then close it. Now my macro has been recorded. What I need to do, I have to save it, this one, save it on my desktop. I say this control W, just for the sake of understanding that what steps I have taken for this one, and then use it as a macro sheet. Okay, now close this one. I save it on my desktop. I generate file for another parameter. Say that I generate file for September and October, and now I generate for the whole trial balance, not only for income and expense. I just want assets, liabilities, and everything. Why I take small information in my data model? Because to give you an idea that it is not important that how many rows are there in the, if you apply the logic accordingly, then it will capture the information as far. So I'm taking it all. Just to give you an idea how many rows I have, and in that file, say that control W, I have file for around 120 something rows. Okay, 111 rows. I will close this one. Now the file has been generated. Okay, I just transformed this file. You see that in that case it was 7 or 8 coming in here. It is from 1 to 8. All levels are coming for the assets and liabilities. Say that now I'm just giving you overview that I have already made macro for the transformation of file. Now I receive another file after some time. I don't have to apply the same steps again and again for the same file. What I will do when the uh, transfer process is completed, I just upload this file into my macro file, and then automatically it will transform the information as per my requirement. Just bear with me because it takes a little bit time. I don't know why. Now the file has been uploaded. If you see number of rows, almost 400 plus rows. What I need to do, I just click it over here and Control A, copy it, Control C, go to my Control W file, which is a macro enable file over here. And then just Control V, paste the information. Okay. Then the file has come. What I need to do, Control Shift and W, and automatically all the information has been. You see, all the information has been uploaded for 338 rows. So our 439 rows, almost 100 plus rows has already been removed, and my macro has worked perfectly. It changed everything, and you see the transformation promises has done so fast. So I don't need to say that I have, if I have to work on the 15 or 20 locations or 20 areas, so I don't have to transfer each and every file. I just make a template for the macro and then enable file. Whatever file I receive, I just export that information into that model, and then automatically execute the macro, and then it will transfer all the information into my desired format. So thanks for watching, and please give your comments, please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and then so that I will prepare tips and tricks for Microsoft, because I'm most of the people is asking for Microsoft PowerPoint and Word related informations, and Excel also together with Power BI. So my channel will be a combination of these three or four things. And also I'm planning to do for some aptitude test mathematics tutorials, so that the students who are working, because in the families the students need some shortcuts for the mathematics. So I will prepare videos for the shortcut keys for the kids as well. So thanks for watching, and hope you like it. Thank you very much.